Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the file details so Audacity can read it correctly. Once Audacity is open, go straight to File, Import, Raw Data. When the dialog appears, select the raw file and keep your format notes handy. You're choosing byte order, encoding, and channels now because incorrect choices distort audio. If you're unsure, pause and inspect the source or ask for specs. Mismatches are the most common cause of noise or silence. Now configure parameters precisely. Select the sample format that matches the raw data, then set byte order, little or big endian, and the channel count. Make sure the sample rate in this dialog matches the file's rate. If it doesn't, choose the closest and plan to resample. Once you click Import, listen briefly to the start of the file to confirm it sounds right. If levels are off, normalize or adjust gain. If timing is wrong, recheck sample rate and channel assignment. Finish by trimming stray silence, normalizing levels, and saving a working copy in WAV or MP3. Once done, export formats for your delivery needs and keep the original raw file untouched. If you hear distortion or garbled audio, re-import using a different encoding or flip the byte order. Small changes here often fix the problem. If you get silence, double-check that the sample rate wasn't set to 0 and that channels aren't misassigned. These are the two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.